Hi all, welcome to this new lecture series of machine learn using Scikit Learn. Okay, so as we all know that machine learning is growing day by day and it is being used in various type of applications. Okay, so as a computer science student, it is very important for us to understand the machine learning and well equipped with all the tools and strategies, right? Okay, so to learn machine learning, one of the easiest and best way by using Scikit Learn library in Python. Okay, so Scikit Learn, it is a very popular machine learning library in Python which comes with a lot of inbuilt functions, models, so that we can use that easily to build machine learning models on our data set on various type of applications. Okay, so that will be the motto of our this lecture series, that we will understand first machine learning concepts and then implement that using Scikit-learn. Okay, so as we go along, we will be covering machine learning concepts and giving an overview. Then we will understand how we can implement that using Scikit-learn library. We will use Python along with Jupyter notebook for the demonstration. Okay,